Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make these super cute stand up ears. These are cute little autumn fox ones, and these felt ears are from Tanya's Felt Ears, and I'll put the links in the description box below. Now I've already made one here because it's super simple. The most complicated thing about doing these is actually cutting them out and making sure you stay in the line. When I do it, I cut from the back so you can see the edges. And you literally, they come in sets, and you would just cut round and make sure you don't trim this, because this is where the slider bit is, and you'll see the pocket in just a moment. But you get sets of 2, and I think they're about £1.50, but I'll put the actual price somewhere across the top of the screen for you. Just move this out of the way so you can't see the ring light strobe. And I got these flowers from Eva's Bow and Craft Supplies, and I'll put these in the link in the description box below, but you can get them from a few places. I just happened to get these really pretty, I think they're called golden roses, and I got them in the 20, 15 and like 10mm, so it's sort of fitted because obviously I wanted to do them in the sizes down. Now they all come with stems like this, and it is super simple to take them off. Just go to the base, you cut them off like this, and then you've got the flat bases to glue. Take your clip, or you can put these on a headband, and the principle is exactly the same whether or not you're using a headband or there, sideways, and then turn it so it's like this. And we'll do exactly the same with our clip. I like to have it so that my tips of my ears are facing in, so take it like this and then twist so it's flat, like so. You don't need any glue unless you really want to, because it sits nicely and tightly by itself, but you can put more glue on the clip. And then take your little flowers, and I centre one against the ear in the middle, and then I get the 2 slightly smaller ones, they're going to go either side. And the best thing about them being felt ears is you only need to use the glue gun, you don't need to use anything else, and the flowers will stay firmly in place. Felt's one of the easiest things to securely glue things against without concern. I like to do them nice and close up to one on each other though, so that they're nice and together, and then just do the last 2. You could add some tulle, little things like that, add a little bit more detail, it's entirely up to yourselves, but like I said, they're perfect for just adding a little extra touch. They look cute by themselves in all honesty, but it's whatever you want to do to make them your own. There you go. And then you've got 2 little cute sets of stand-up fox ears, and there's a couple of different styles, so like I said, the principle works the same on all of them. And like I said, you can have them facing out, you can have them facing in, and they will just literally sit. You can do them like this, or you can have them on the child's head this way. So like I said, really cute, really easy, so simple to sort of jazz them up and make them more unique to you.